everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shanti. I hope everyone is doing well and is safe and as excited as I am. As you can see, I've got a completely different unboxing for you compared to the Look Fantastic videos that I do. But I've got the Caroline Hirons Winter Kit number 2. In this video, I will be opening what's inside, showing you the contents. I'm going to be telling you how much it's worth if you was to buy it separately compared to how much it is worth when you get it in the bag. As you know, I like rambling on. Just a quick lowdown. This is a much awaited kit. Obviously she does 2 kits. There's kit 1 and kit 2. I've got kit 2. So I think this came out about maybe 2 weeks ago, and everyone was waiting for the launch date. They shut off the store just before the release date. I think it was 9 o'clock or 10. No, it was 10 o'clock on that day. So we all, well, when I say we all, me and my friends, we was a bit anxious and stressed and nervous, and a bit worried if we was going to bag the kit or not, because there was just so much hype around getting the kit. 3-4 minutes before 10 we was trying to get onto the website, but we couldn't get on. Obviously Caroline Hirons, she locked the website just before the release. Anyway, so we finally managed to get onto the website. I think it was about 4 past 10, and it was just super slow. So you can you can imagine the masses and masses of people that were trying to get on the website. So when we finally got onto the website, we got onto the store, and it was just taking forever to load. So she kept refreshing the page again and again, and me being me, I don't like to refresh just in case it just messes things up. So I stayed put. I think I managed to get to kit 2, put it in my basket, but just going to clicking and going to the basket, I think it took me about 10 minutes maybe. And then when I got to the basket, put in all the card details and everything, that took another 15-20 minutes, and I just didn't want to keep on pressing refresh just in case it just disappeared. So I stayed put. I managed to then purchase the kit. I think it was around 10:40 maybe. I managed to get a confirmation from the Caroline Hirons store saying we've got your order, this is your order number, blah blah blah. Other than that, it was just like, I don't know, I was having heart palpitations for a kit. I normally don't make these purchases where I'm nervous waiting for a line. These normally you do for gig tickets and stuff like that. But anyway, this was my first hand experience, and it was, yeah, it was alright. It was a bit stressful, a bit anxious, because you then worried am I gonna get it, am I not? It was just too much stress. But overall, after 40 minutes of stressing and heart palpitations, I finally managed to get it, and I've got it right in front of you. So I do consider myself very, very lucky, because as you may know, if you've been looking at the Caroline Hirons website and her blogs, YouTube and Instagram lives, I'm not sure if the website crashed. I think it crashed, or they just took it off. The website, they took the store off completely, because it kind of took in all these orders that they were unable to fill for. You can find all this information on Caroline's blog post and YouTube and Instagram lives to see what happened. So yeah, overall after 2 weeks, I got this yesterday very late. So it got shipped on Friday, and I got it Saturday evening from DPD. I think it was about 8 in the evening. But yeah, it's here. I literally, Caroline Hirons, honestly the most down-to-earth person ever. She always updated you. Even if you asked a question on her YouTube post or Instagram post, she would be replying straight away. So basically she didn't leave you in the dark, even though it was a bit of a mess. But I can only imagine, not even imagine actually, the amount of stress that she went through when everything happened. But she still kept herself together, and she was there for her people. She was updating us every single time she could, and she didn't keep anyone in the dark. So hats off to you, Caroline Hirons, and I absolutely love and admire how honest and truthful you are. So yeah, thank you. The Winter Kit 1 was £180 and worth £415. So that included a saving of 57%. So kit 2 was £195 and worth £482, and that was a saving of 60%. So hello, that is absolutely amazing. This is actually my first Caroline Hirons kit. So I think in the past I've seen them £300 plus. She's considered, like, because of the pandemic, with the jobs been affected, so many people at home, she's actually been so kind to bump down the prices for us. So it was actually a really, really good deal. It's still a bit expensive, but you know, compared to her 300 like price marks, I think it's actually amazing, to be fair. So at the time, if you were unable to get a kit, you could have made use of her brand offers. So all the brands included in the kits, she had amazing offers. I think the way it works is, like, if you didn't manage to get the kit, you could use the brand offers. So as you can see in the background, you've got you can see that I've got that Caroline Hirons skincare book. Now I purchased this as well on Amazon because the retail price for it is £20, but they did a half price offer, so I got it for £10. You know, it's literally the skincare bible, no nonsense, straight to the point. So let me know if you've got the book, what you think of the book, or if you want me to do like an overview of the book, I can do that too. I think I've done lots of waffling. That's enough jibber jabber, so let's dive into the bag. So as you can see, it is bright neoprene green, and it's got skin rocks at the front. It's actually quite big though. So inside, so she's got camo on the inside. She's a big fan of camouflage, so that's what it looks like on the inside. Quick sneak peek. So in there, she's got like a little leaflet. There we are. And it just says Happy New Year and Happy Kit Day to you, and it's got all the information. So it has the Winter Kits 2021, and it's got basically the list of all the products and the ingredients. So the first item that I'm going to pull out is, so we've got the Zellen's Pro Vitamin D Fortifying Mist. So this is actually, if you was to buy it by itself, this is actually worth £55. So this is what it looks like on the inside, and it's obviously glass bottle. And if you know Zellen's, they've actually revamped the packaging. So it used to be the light green, but they have now gone into a very sleek and modern black colour. So we have the Zellen's Pro Vitamin D3 Fortifying Mist, which is 50 ml in spray form. And this is basically an ultra-fine facial mist formulated to give skin a vitality boost with Pro Vitamin D3 for a healthy looking complexion. And this hydrating mist reinforces the skin barrier function and helps protect from environmental aggressors and comforts the skin while supporting its natural recovery capacity. So next up, we've got the Summer Fridays CC Me Serum, and this is what it looks like on the inside. If you was to buy this by itself, this is worth £57. We've got the Summer Fridays CC Me Serum in 30 ml, and this basically improves the appearance of dark spots and hyperpigmentation. So it's in a pump form, again glass. The third one that I'm going to pull out is the Dr. Dennis Gross C Plus Collagen Deep Cream. So that's what it looks like, bright orange. This is worth £77. So we've got the Dr. Dennis Gross C Plus Collagen Deep Cream, and it is in 50 ml. So this basically helps to energize, brighten and tone your skin for an ageless complexion. And that is what it looks like on the inside. So next we've got the Dermalogica Barrier Repair Cream, and this is what it looks like on the inside, and this is worth £42. So here we have the Dermalogica Barrier Cream, and this is a barrier repair skin shielding balm, and it's in 30 mils. This velvety moisturizer helps fortify and sensitize skin with a damaged barrier. So when you open it up, the applicator looks something like this. So next up, we've got the Medik8 Crystal Retinol 6, and inside, this is what it looks like inside. And this is worth £59. Next up, we've got the Medik8 Crystal Retinol 6, and this is a stable retinol night serum, super strength of vitamin A in 30 mils. This is fortified with a 0.06% encapsulated retinol. Next up, we have the Jordan Samuel the Eye Performance Gel, and this is worth £34. The Performance Eye Gel in 30 mils. So this basically helps hydrate and add radiance to your eyes, and this is what it looks like. It's in pump form. And we're getting close to the end now. Last two products. So here we've got the Josh Rosebrook Vital Balm Cream, and this is what it looks like inside. This is worth £45. So here we have the Josh Rosebrook Vital Balm Cream in 22 mils. The Vital Balm Cream is a uniquely effective moisturizer that combines the barrier benefits of a balm and the absorption and luxury finish of a cream. So you can see that the consistency is quite thick here. So we reached the end of the kit, and we've got our last item, which is, oh, this is actually huge. We've got the Oskia Renaissance Cleansing Gel. This is what it looks like. And this is a limited edition for Caroline Hirons. It's limited edition in size and also colour. It's bright yellow. We go up to 100 mils. So once in a while they will bring out the limited edition size, but for the kit they have brought it out. So this is actually really cool. And this is actually, I think it's worth £58. I think on her video she said that it is £70, but then they reached out and said because of the whole thing of the pandemic and everything, they have bumped it down to £58. So here we have the Oskia Renaissance Cleansing Gel, and this is an illuminating vitamin melting cleanser, and it's in super size 200 mils. And this is basically a new generation non-foaming facial cleanser, and this basically quickly and gently removes impurities and makeup while actively illuminating to reveal clean, radiant skin that feels nourished and smooth. So this is basically formulated with vital skin nutrients to rebuild skin cell health, clinical bioactives to target aging, lifestyle and environmental concerns. So I know I've been just telling you about kit 2. So the only difference between kit 1 and kit 2 is obviously I think it's 3 products that is different. The Oskia Renaissance Cleansing Gel is in both kit 1 and kit 2. The Jordan Samuel Skin, the Performance Eye Gel is in kit 1 and in kit 2. The Zellen's Fortifying Mist is in both kits. The Summer Fridays CC Me Serum is also in both kits. So they both have the Medik8 Crystal Retinol in there, but kit 1 has 3 and kit 2 has 6. And then kit 1 also has the Kate Somerville Delicate Recovery Cream and the Ren Skincare Evercalm Overnight Recovery Balm. And also kit 2 has the Josh Rosebrook Vital Balm Cream, the Dr. Dennis Gross Skincare Collagen Deep Cream, let me know if you have any questions, pop them down below and I'll be happy to answer if I can. If not, I'll try and point you in the right direction. So that's it, everyone. That is the end of the kit. I hope you've enjoyed looking at the products with me and the information and the little price range that I've got up for you. Let me know if there is anything else you want me to go into further. I know she has like how to part 1 and part 2 on her Instagram, so if you want more information about how you should use them, you can follow up on that on her Instagram lives. Also, let me know if you would like me to do a how-to for myself, like which one I would layer, which one I would wear first and all that sort of stuff. Let me know, and then I can make a separate video on a tutorial on how to use them. Other than that, I hope you've enjoyed this video. So let me know in the comments below what you think of the kit. Let me know what your favorite products are, or if you've used them already, your experience buying or not buying the kit. In the meantime, thank you for your love and support as always. So don't forget, if you've liked this video, give me the thumbs up, like the video, comment, subscribe, and also don't forget to share with your friends and family. So see you next time with another video. In the meantime, don't forget to stay safe, stay happy, and stay positive. So see you later. Bye.